Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning Kotlin programming language with practical demonstration. In the previous video, we discussed about types of variable, get the value from user using readLine method and data type conversion practically. You can learn that concept by watching my previous video. Now, in this video, we will discuss about how to apply condition in Kotlin language, types of condition and if condition with in operator practically. So, let's start the session. Like as every programming language, the Kotlin also have the conditions. Say for example, we can apply the simple if condition, then we can apply the if and else, and then we can apply the if, then else, then if. It is called a ladder if, and then there is a nested if condition also. So this Kotlin language can also provide a type of condition. Say for example, this if else if statement, we can say that it is a kind of ladder if statements. Okay, as same as the every computer language, the Kotlin is also a programming language and also have the conditional statements. On the basis of that conditional statement, the executable statement can be executed. So for that, say for example, I am just providing you the syntax of the particular conditional statement. So here I have created, say for example, simple if syntax over here. So this is what the syntax for the simple if. Now I am writing over here a syntax for the if and else. So this will be the same over here. So I am copying pasting over here. So after the bracket of else, there will be a else part. Okay. So if the condition will be false, at that time the else part will be executed in the Kotlin programming language. Like as the same other programming language, it is working as a same. So it is a if and else statement, conditional statement it is called, and then if the condition is true, then the if part will be executed, and if the condition is false, then the else part will be executed. So these two type of condition is available in the Kotlin, and we have two more also, nested if and ladder if. So if else if these structure code ladder if. So to apply the condition, you will have the operator also. Say for example, arithmetic operator, logical operator, conditional operator, assignment operator, and then we have a bitwise operator also in the Kotlin. So like as every other programming language, the Kotlin also provide the operators, and there is a relational operator available in the Kotlin also. So these are the types of operator that we can use to provide the condition. So this conditional statement is, we can say, a ternary operator. Ternary operator means a colon and question mark operator. And this relation operator that we all know, it is a less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and equal to equal to. These all are called a relational operator, and this ternary operator is called a conditional operator in the programming language. So these operator you can use with the conditional statement. If you want to provide the condition, you need some operator. On the basis of that operator, you can provide the conditional statement. So this is what these both concept is working parallelly. Now what I am giving you, I am just giving you the practical demonstration for if statement. Say for example, first. So now I am just creating a Kotlin script over here, and the script name is positive negative dot kts. So here I have created file a Kotlin script to find out the number is positive or negative. So this is what my file is. It is a Kotlin script. I am writing function main over here, and then I will call the main method. So main method is a starting point of the program execution. Okay, so this code will be dynamic code because we will get the value from the user by using the readLine method. So in the previous video, we also discussed about readLine method and how we can use the readLine method. So here I am just printing now. Say for example, enter a number. Okay, so I am asking to the from the user to enter the value. So here I am creating a variable number. Say for example, equal to readLine, and I need to convert that value to integer. Okay, so I will write to integer over here. So that two exclamatory sign is a non-null assertion operator. That also we have discussed in our previous video. What is the not null assertion operator? So now we get the value from the user, and then I am just applying the condition. If the number is greater than to 0, what it means? It means that the number is positive. So I will write in the print statement the number is positive. Okay, so if the user will enter the greater than 0, this code will be executed. Now I am providing else if statement over here. It is like as a ladder if. Okay, you can provide a simple if and else also, but I am just giving you the demonstration for the ladder if conditional statements. So I am just copy this line and paste it in the else part over here. Say for example, if I provide the else part only, then there will be this number is negative number. Okay, so here what we have done, we have checked the condition. Say for example, if number greater than 0, at that time, now I am just running the file. So in the console, there is a message. Say for example, enter a number and wait for the user input. So when user input any value, say for example over here when user enter 50, the number is positive because the number is greater than to 0. Now I am applying the ladder if condition over here. Say for example, if number greater than less than to 0, then this number will be a negative. And if the number is not positive and not negative, so there will be a 0 number. So I will write the number is 0 over here. Now I am just running the file and providing the console input. Say for example, enter a number, a user enter minus 20. So this number is negative now. And if the user enters 0 over here, the number is 0 will be printed on the console. Say for example, you can see over here, I have entered 0, okay. But what if the user enter a space or any string value over here? That is also we have discussed in our previous video. Okay, so if the user enters any numbers, that is okay, the code will be executed properly. But if the user will enter any string, means any character over here, it will generate an exception. An exception will be the number format exception. Because we want to convert that character into the integer value, that is not possible. You can convert a number which are available in the string. You can convert that number to the integer. See over here, we are getting exception name as a number format exception. Why? Because we do not have entered any value and our code is going to convert this value to the integer. That's why it is providing the number format exception. You can handle this exception by try and catch block. It is called exception handling in the programming language. Say for example, I have run again. Now I am providing a string over here. Say for example, Andy. It is giving the number format exception because you cannot convert a string, a character to the integer. If there is a number in the string, you can convert it into the integer, but if there is a character in the string, you cannot convert to the integer value. That is also at the concept of the data type conversion we have discussed in our previous video. But for now, we have provided the ladder if condition over here, and it is also including the simple if and if else statements over here. So this is what I have given you the practical demonstration for the ladder if condition. I will give you the another practical demonstration for how to use the in operator with condition. So I am just creating another file. Say for example, the file name is if underscore in. Now I am writing a function main over here. It is a starting point of the program execution, and now I am calling the main. So over here we will use the in operator in the if condition. So I will copy this statement and paste it over here. So I have taken the input from the user. Now I am applying the condition. Say for example, if number in 90 dot dot 100, what it means? It means we have provided the range of in the condition. You can provide like that also. Number in 90 dot dot 100. So it means that if the number is between 90 to 100, this if part will be executed, and in that print statement I will write the values in between 90 to 100. Okay, so this is a typo error. Okay, now I have to provide the else also. Say for example, print ln not a valid input. So this is just a simple if else statement, but I have given you the demonstration for how to use the in operator in the conditional statement. So now I am just running the file. If in.kts, it is compiling and now it is running, enter a number. So if the user entered 50, say for example, it is not a valid number. So I am running again. Say for example, if user entered 90 over here, then there will be a message. What message will be printed on the console? Can you guess the output? The value is between 90 to 100. Now I am running this file again. Say for example 100 over here. Then the value is between 90 to 100 will be displayed on the console. We are getting the value is between 90 to 100. Okay, so if part is executed. So in the if part, you can provide a range also. This statement will mostly use in the Kotlin programming language. You can use the range in the conditional statement over here. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video, we will discuss about how to apply loop in the Kotlin script. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.